seafoods. Tikman natin. Kain. Masarap. Malasa. Pati yung kanyang pasta. Korean pasta. Malasa talaga siya. Delicious. Sapa natin ng lettuce. Delicious. Meron pang halaan. Ba yung aso na yan? Ang sarap niya kasi may halaan. Tapos may seafoods talaga siya. Subukan nyo ito guys. Ang sarap. Ang lasa niya. Busin ko lang to guys. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page. If you buy something, please click the yellow basket or visit my TikTok shop. Bye guys. Thank you. Busin ko lang to. May aso eh. May aso.